Won't you just leave it alone? Haven't they suffered enough? This is her battlefield. Where does the bunny's head go? Where does the bunny's head go? Does it go right here? Does the bunny's head go right here? Look, there's a bunny's head. You want to see the bunny's head? Don't step on them. Don't use your feet as weapons. Oh no! Poor bunny.